So we're going to summarize those 3 key components of combating overwhelm when it comes to writing NIH grants. Number 1 is to get really clear on your goals and priorities and make sure that you're not overwhelmed because you're doing too much stuff that is not tied to the impact that you want to have with your research, right? So that's number 1, is identifying those goals and priorities and then doing what you can to remove the things on your plate that aren't serving your ultimate mission as a scientist. Number 2 is to break down the grant writing project into smaller chunks. And this is really about establishing a project management system, right? It's about finding a system that will allow you to tackle this massive project and break it down into smaller pieces so that it doesn't seem so overwhelming. And number 3 is to make sure that you have milestones in place that will allow you to identify when you are off track or on track. And sort of alongside that, making sure that you have given yourself enough time and a long enough runway to actually write the grant so that you're not trying to squeeze it all into a few weeks right before the deadline.